Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will be doing question number 7, exercise 2C, chapter number 2, integers, rational numbers and real numbers, page number 43. We are following new syllabus mathematics, 7th edition, grade 7. The first A part is find the value of each of the following: minus 55 plus in the bracket minus 10 minus 10. Okay, the very first thing is, in all the parts, when you see the statement, there is no equal sign given here, so this is not an equation. Okay, so in these questions we will start solving by putting equal sign in the start. You need to follow the steps. Mind one thing, that math is a language. So if you know the language, you need to do it in a right way by following the steps, so that if anybody other than you have a look on your solutions, okay, the question that you have solved, so he or she should know that how have you done, because if he or she knows the language of math, he or she will easily understand how you have done the question. So it's important, it's necessary to follow the steps. The very first thing is that we need to open the bracket here. This plus will multiply with the minus sign and we'll get minus. Others will remain the same. The second step is that this number has a negative sign, this number has a negative sign, this number has a negative sign. All three numbers have a negative sign. So it means if this is your loan, this is your loan, this is your loan, these are the loan amounts, your loan will be more. So you need to add all these, you get 75. So still it is a loan, so put a negative sign. So this will be the solution for this part A. Now we will be doing the part B. These are quite easier if you have learned the rules in the previous videos. Part B is minus 12 minus big bracket, then small bracket, minus 8 minus again bracket minus 2, big bracket close, plus 3. So we will start. The very first thing is that first of all we need to find the solution of these things inside the big bracket. So we need to keep it as such. Okay, go ahead. In the bracket minus 8 means it is minus 8. Minus will multiply with the minus, it becomes plus 2. This will remain the same. Okay, now moving ahead, this is minus 8. It means $8 is your loan and you have $2 in your pocket. When you pay from your pocket $2, you offset your loan, so your loan will come down, it becomes $6. So here you get minus 6 as the answer of these two. Okay, then plus 3, it remains like this. Okay, now this minus 12, this minus will be multiplied with this minus, we get plus 6 plus 3. Now see, this is the amount in your pocket, this is the amount in your pocket, and this is the loan. Loan remains the same. Okay, the amount in your pocket will become more, so you add these two, 6 plus 3, 9. So this is the amount in your pocket. Okay, so now from your pocket you pay the loan, your loan amount goes down, it becomes how much? If you pay $9, your loan is now $3. So for the loan is minus 3 is the answer for this question. Now we move ahead to part C. Just we need to go systematically step by step. Part C is minus 100 plus minus 45 in the bracket plus minus 5 in the bracket and plus 20. The very first step is that we need to open the brackets. This comes as such, plus will multiply with the minus, it becomes minus 45, plus multiply with the minus becomes minus 5 plus 20. Now see, this is your loan, this is your loan, this is your loan, and this is amount in your pocket. So when you add your loan, so your loan will be more. 100 100 plus 45 plus 5. 150 is your loan. Put minus sign. Plus 20, put it like this. Okay. Now, from your pocket, you will pay the loan and your loan will go down. If you pay $20, your loan will be 130. Put minus for the loan. Minus 130 is the answer for this part, which is part C. Now, we need to move ahead with the part D. Part D says minus 2 plus 3 multiply by 15. So if you know or if you have learned in the previous class BODMAS rule, so you know that first if we have plus and multiplication, so first we need to do the multiplication. Minus 2 remains the same. 3 will be multiplied with the 15. 15 3s are 45, is plus sign, plus 45. Now $45 are in your pocket and $2 is the loan. Okay, so from your pocket you pay $2. Okay, so amount in your pocket will come down by $2. It becomes 43. So plus 43 is the answer for your part D. Now we move ahead to part E, which is minus 5 minus 2 bracket multiply by minus 3. First we need to solve this bracket. This is a loan, $5. This is a loan, $2. Just add the loans, it becomes minus 7. Okay, multiply by minus 3. Okay, now this minus will be multiplied with this minus. Minus minus is plus. 7 will be multiplied with the 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 is the answer for part E. Now we will move to part F. Part F is minus 25 multiply by minus 4 divided by minus 12 plus 32. Here, first of all, we need to solve this bracket. This also we need to open this bracket. This is minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 divided by minus 12 plus 32. 32 is the amount in your pocket and $12 is the loan. So you pay from your pocket the $12. Amount in your pocket comes down, okay, by $12. It becomes 32 minus 12, 20. So $20 are in your pocket now. Okay. Now we need to multiply this minus with the minus. It becomes plus. 25 into 4 is 100 divided by 20. When we divide 100 by 20, okay, we get number 5 is the answer. Okay, so it was quite simple. You just need to follow the rules and you get the answer. Now we move to G part, which is 3 multiplied by bracket minus 3 power 2 minus bracket 7 minus 2 whole square. First we need to solve the brackets. 3 multiplied by minus 3 square means minus 3 square. It means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus will be multiplied with the minus. It becomes plus. 3 3s are 9. It becomes 9 minus 7 minus 2 is 5 square. 3 multiplied by 9 minus 5 square means 5 multiplied by 5, this is 25. Now first we need to multiply. 9 3s are 27 minus 25, it becomes 2. 2 is the answer. So it was very easy and simple. Just we need to apply the rules and we get the answer. Now we will be going ahead to part number H. Part number H is 5 multiplied by big bracket 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 10. So first of all we need to solve this big bracket. 3 will be multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. This is positive, this is negative. plus multiplied by minus, minus, it becomes minus 3 2s are 6, minus 10. Then this is a loan, $10, and this is also a loan, $6. You add up the loan, your loan is more, 10 plus 6 is 16, it is a loan, it is minus. 5 will be multiplied with 16, becomes 80, this is plus, this is minus. When they multiply, we get minus. Minus 80 is the answer for part H. Now we move ahead. Part I says minus 12 divided by big bracket 2 square minus 2. First of all, we need to solve the big bracket. It remains as such. 2 square is 4. Minus multiplied by minus is plus 2. When we add these 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. Okay. When we divide 12 with 6, we get 2. Minus multiplied by plus becomes minus. So minus 2 is the answer for part I. We have the last part left with us, part J. Part J is 10 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, and this is under root. First of all, we need to solve this multiplication. Okay, so minus will be multiplied with the minus, it becomes plus. Okay, 3 will be multiplied with the 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 10 plus 6 under root, it is 16 under root. 16 can be 4 into 4 is 16 under root. It can be 4 squared under root. We know that this under root is 1 over 2. We know that powers get multiplied. We cut off and we get the answer 4. So 4 is the answer for part J. So by this way, we have completed question number 7 on page number 43.